To create a Peekaboo accordion, take one of your Peekaboo pockets, find the side with the slit, and then you know that the adhesive tape is on the opposite side. You're going to peel off that adhesive tape, tuck it under your first pocket, and then place the pocket where you'd like it on your page. Then your pocket can flip. Now if we want to build an accordion, you can take a second pocket, find the slit, and then your adhesive is on the other side. I've already prepped this pocket by pulling the adhesive off. So what I'm going to do next is find the side with the slit, and I always want that up because I want that to be hidden when my accordion is made. So now I'll line up the adhesive at the bottom of that photo, and you'll notice when I place it on, it's completely clear. We did a lot of R&D work to make that pocket perfectly clear and the adhesive perfectly clear, so you don't even see it. Then you can crease that pocket down. If I want to have an additional pocket, I take my next pocket, I find the slit, I pull off the adhesive, and then again, I just place that adhesive right on the edge of that pocket, and I've created an accordion. Now it's easy to find the slit on the inside. I can place my photo in, and then again, I can see where my photo would be on the back. I can figure out that orientation, and I can slide that photo in. And it folds right up. So find the slit, add the photo, and then you have your accordion. Can go up or down.